Hi, my name is TV Cal, and today I will be presenting to you MDOP problem number 2. We will look at the different factors involved in solving our solutions problems. So in these exams, you will encounter solutions problem like this example. For example, you start out with a solution of salt. The concentration is 1 molar, and the volume of the solution is 2 liters. Into that solution, you add another 2 liters of water. The problem asks, what is the final concentration of the salt? Now, there's several ways to do this. One way you can do this is actually trying to find the total moles of the salt and then divide it by the total volume of the solutions and to find the final concentrations. Concentrations or molarities equals moles per liters. So that's one way you can do it, but that's a hard way because you end up having to backtrack out the moles from the molarity. One easy way you can do these problems is to employ this equation right here. C1V1 equals C2V2. Initial concentration times initial volume equals final concentration times final volume. In our case, you know the initial concentration and initial volumes. You also know the final volume, which is 2 plus 2 equals 4. So then, to find C2, which is the final concentration, all you have to do is take C1 times V1 divided by V2. So that would be, in our case, 1 molar times 2 liters divided by 4 liters equals 0.5 molars. So that would be our answers. Now note that the units cancel each other out. So as long as your units are the same for the volume and units are the same for the concentration, you're good to go. Now it's important you realize that this is a dilution problem. You start out with 2 liters and then you add another 2 liters into the solutions. So you're diluting your solutions in half. So your concentration is going to go from 1 molar to 0.5 molar. As simple as that, you don't even have to do any calculations. That's how quickly you can solve this equation.